Star Trek, Picard Season 2 Trailer Teases 2022 Streaming Premiere. Paramount Plus, the rebranded streaming service previously known as CBS All Access, has just released the first trailer for Star Trek, Picard Season 2. The true final frontier is time, the company teases, giving viewers a brief but exciting look at what the series will bring when it premieres on Paramount Plus next year. The trailer revolves around the theme of time as it burns things away, as it moves the sand in the hourglass, and as it relates to one's actions in life. Patrick Stewart narrates the trailer, teasing but never quite revealing what fans can expect in the show's second season. Star Trek, Picard is one of multiple new shows set in the Star Trek universe. Picard brings in retired Jean-Luc Picard, played by Stewart, after the events seen in the movies Star Trek, Nemesis and Star Trek 2009. The first season premiered in January 2020, but we won't get the second season until sometime next year. If you haven't yet watched the two aforementioned Star Trek movies, you should check them both out before watching Star Trek, Picard, otherwise, you're in for some unfortunate spoilers. Both movies are available on digital. Paramount Plus hasn't provided any additional details about the next season. Presumably it will also feature 10 episodes, joining the 10 that streamed with the first season. This time around, you'll need a Paramount Plus subscription to watch the show.